Understanding the garage remote. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll uncover the meaning behind the term garage remote. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your English, this video will clarify what this phrase means and how you can use it. Let's start with the basics. A garage is a building or indoor area commonly used to store vehicles. In homes, garages are often built alongside or integrated into the structure. They provide security and protect vehicles from the weather. Moving on, the word remote generally refers to a device that controls something from a distance. It operates wirelessly, usually via infrared or radio frequency signals. Remotes are widely used for electronic devices such as TVs and air conditioners. When we combine the two words, garage remote refers to a wireless handheld device that is used to open and close a garage door. It's a convenient tool that allows people to operate their garage door without having to manually lift or pull it. Now that we know what a garage remote is, let's use it in a sentence. For example, I use the garage remote to open the door and park my car. This sentence shows the garage remote as a functional tool in everyday life. We hope this explanation helps you understand what a garage remote is and how you can talk about it in English. Keep practicing, and soon these terms will become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.